Step 3. Both groups now have the opportunity to adjust their strategies based on the revealed information. Group 1 decides to maintain their low-priced strategy but also focuses on improving the features of their cell phones to differentiate themselves from Group 2's luxury items. Group 2, seeing the threat from Group 1, decides to lower their prices slightly to compete with Group 1's lower prices while still maintaining their focus on luxury and cutting-edge technology. Step 4. The game theory outcome reveals that both groups have adjusted their strategies to be more competitive and stay relevant in the market. Group 1 still attracts a large customer base with its lower prices and improved features. Group 2 retains their customer base that values luxury and cutting-edge technology while also appealing to price-sensitive customers. Both groups see a decrease in profits due to the lower prices, but they still maintain a significant market share. Step 5. Reflecting on this exercise, both groups realize the importance of being aware of and adapting to their competitors' strategies. They also see the value of differentiation and targeting specific segments of the market. They also recognize the delicate balance between prices and profits and the potential impact of one group's strategy on the other. Overall, this game theory simulation sheds light on the complexity of competition in the marketplace and the importance of strategic decision-making. It also highlights the potential benefits of collaboration and considering different perspectives when making strategic business decisions. Predictive analytics and big data in business planning. In an era where data is king, predictive analytics offers a crown to those who can wield it wisely. By harnessing the power of big data, businesses can forecast trends, anticipate customer behavior, and make data-driven strategic decisions. Predictive analytics is a branch of data analysis that uses statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and artificial intelligence to analyze historical data and make predictions about future events or trends. When applied to business planning, predictive analytics can provide valuable insights and support decision-making processes. One of the main benefits of using predictive analytics in business planning is the ability to forecast future trends and anticipate customer behavior. By analyzing past data and identifying patterns, businesses can make educated predictions about future demand, sales, and customer preferences. This can help them prepare for potential challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Moreover, predictive analytics can also aid in making data-driven strategic decisions. By analyzing data from various sources, businesses can identify key drivers and influencers of their performance and develop more effective strategies. For example, predictive analytics can help identify which marketing campaigns are most likely to yield the highest ROI or which products are likely to be successful in a specific market. In addition to being a valuable tool for planning, predictive analytics can also help with risk management. By identifying potential risks and predicting their likelihood, businesses can take proactive measures to mitigate these risks and prevent potential losses. Another advantage of predictive analytics is its ability to improve efficiency and save resources. By accurately forecasting demand and supply, businesses can optimize their inventory, reduce waste, and improve operational efficiency. However, to successfully implement predictive analytics in business planning, companies need to have a robust data infrastructure in place. This includes collecting and integrating data from various sources, ensuring data accuracy and quality, and utilizing appropriate analytics tools and technologies. Without a solid foundation, the insights derived from predictive analytics may not be reliable or actionable. Case study: leveraging big data for market expansion. A tech company uses predictive analytics to identify emerging market opportunities in customer segments. By analyzing vast datasets, they pinpoint trends that inform their market expansion strategy, demonstrating the transformative power of big data in strategic planning. The challenge: the tech company, named XYZ, has been in the business of providing customer relationship management software for several years, primarily targeting small and medium-sized businesses in the United States. However, with increasing competition and saturation in the domestic market, the company is looking to expand its reach into new markets. In order to do so successfully, they need to identify potential market opportunities and assess the needs and preferences of potential customers in these new markets. This is where big data comes in. The solution: XYZ begins by leveraging big data to gather insights from various sources, such as social media, market research reports, and customer feedback. This data is then analyzed using predictive analytics tools, which help identify patterns and trends in consumer behavior, preferences, and market opportunities. Through this analysis, the company discovers that there is a growing demand for customer relationship management software in emerging markets such as South America and Southeast Asia. They also identify specific customer segments, such as small businesses in the e-commerce industry, that have a high potential for growth in these markets. The big data advantage. Without the use of big data and advanced analytics, identifying these opportunities may have been time-consuming and imprecise. 4. Select and train a model. There are many different types of predictive models that can be used for forecasting. Some commonly used models include linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. The choice of model will depend on the type of data and the problem being solved. Once a model is selected, it needs to be trained using the historical data. 5. Evaluate the model's performance. After the model is trained, it is important to evaluate its performance. This can be done by using a holdout set of data that was not used during training. The model's predictions can be compared to the actual values to determine their accuracy. 6. Make predictions. Once the model has been evaluated and its performance is satisfactory, it can be used to make predictions on new data. This will give us insights into potential sales trends and allow us to make informed decisions about future strategies. 7. Refine and improve the model. Predictive models are not perfect and may require refinement and improvement over time. This can be done by continuously gathering new data and retraining the model to make more accurate predictions. 8. Communicate insights and results. The final step in developing a predictive model is to communicate the insights and results to stakeholders. This can be in the form of a report, presentation, or interactive dashboard. The goal is to present the findings in a clear and actionable way that can inform decision-making. Overall, developing a predictive model involves a combination of data analysis, mathematical and statistical techniques, and communication skills. By following these steps, we can gain valuable insights and make informed decisions to drive business growth. Integrating mathematical thinking into business strategies. As we stand on the threshold of the future, the integration of mathematical thinking into business strategy has never been more critical. The models and techniques we've explored are not merely academic. They are the sinews and muscles of modern business strategy, enabling organizations to navigate uncertainty, capitalize on opportunities, and forge new paths to success. The future of business mathematics. In our final lesson, let's contemplate the evolving role of mathematics in business. How will emerging technologies like AI and machine learning further transform strategic decision-making? What new mathematical models might emerge to address the challenges and opportunities of the digital age? This case study illustrates how the use of big data and predictive analytics can be a game-changer for companies looking to expand into new markets. With a comprehensive understanding of market trends and consumer needs, companies can target their efforts more effectively and increase their chances of success in new territories. This not only leads to business growth but also enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Leveraging big data has proven to be a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to stay competitive in the ever-evolving global market. Game theory analysis can help companies make informed decisions about their market entry and pricing strategies by predicting potential outcomes and guiding them towards a currently beneficial outcome. In this case, it suggests that joint ventures and value-based pricing may be the most strategically sound approach for Company A and Company B to enter the new market. However, the ultimate decision will depend on the specific goals and resources of the companies, and they must carefully consider all factors before making a final decision. Predictive analytics and big data have revolutionized the way businesses plan and make decisions. By using data-driven forecasting and analysis, companies can gain a competitive advantage and achieve business success. However, to reap the full potential of predictive analytics, organizations must invest in the right resources and build a data-driven culture. Game theory is a valuable tool for competitive business strategies. By understanding the strategies and potential reactions of their competitors, businesses can make more informed and effective decisions to gain an advantage in the market. Moreover, game theory can also be applied to various aspects of business, such as pricing and negotiation, helping companies make strategic decisions that benefit them in the long run. As the business world continues to become more competitive, leveraging game theory concepts will become even more crucial for success.